Hello there. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Michael, and on this channel I provide information on various internet marketing tools and resources you can use to grow or start your business. In this video I will show you how to create videos without a camera. You will need just two items, a notepad and a video editor. You can have a complete video ready in just 2 steps. Interested? Let's begin. One of the fundamental requirements for a video is a script. You need to know the outline of your video before creating it. So, even if you don't have a DSLR camera or a smartphone, you can make a video if you have a script. And I'm not talking about outsourcing. You can do it yourself in a matter of minutes. Step number 1. Write down the script. Take a few minutes to organize your thoughts and put them down in a notepad. You can use any word editor if you're not comfortable with Notepad. Ensure you check for misspellings and grammatical errors. Correct any typos that may have crept in. Step number 2. Import script into software. The software we're going to use is Vidnami. It is a powerful cloud-based AI video editor that does all the work for you. All you need to take care of is some quality control after the video is created. Let me show you the entire process. Log in to Vidnami and select the template you want to use. There are many you can choose from. After you've selected the template, you need to paste the script into the script field and give it a title. This will be the title of your video project. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Create Scenes. Wait for a few seconds or a while, depending on the length of your script. Your clips should be ready. Scroll through the slides and update any slide is required. You can replace the video clips on the slides with any other clip from a selection of over 900,000 clips. You can also replace video clips with images if you want it that way. After you've run through all the slides, click on Add Voice at the bottom of the slides. You can now add in your own voiceover, or since we're talking about just 2 steps, choose the Auto Voice menu. Select a voice from the options presented. Hi, my name is Harry and I would love... Click on Preview Video. Your video will be generated with the voiceover. A background music track will be added automatically. Hello there. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Michael, and on this channel I provide information on various internet marketing tools and resources you can use to grow or start your business. Now, if you don't want the music track, just go to the Options tab on this page, and drop the volume of the music track completely down to 0. You can play with the other options on this page if you like. You're almost done. Just click on Looks Good, Continue, and select the export resolution 720p or 1080p. Wait for the software to render your project, and then download it to your computer. That's it. You've just created a video without using a camera or showing yourself. All you used was a notepad and Vidnami. If you want to try it yourself, just click on the link below and you will get a 14-day free trial to test the software out. By the way, this entire video was created in Vidnami. Of course, I had to use an external editor because I needed to include the screen recording as well. The possibilities are endless. And, if you would like a 40% off on your subscription for life, click the second link in the description. This is a limited time offer and will end at 12 AM on March 27, 2021. If you're watching this video after March 27, 2021, you can use the third link to get a discount on the subscription. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos on tools you can use for your business and personal projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.